It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, as a part of our discussion regarding geometry, yesterday I started with basics, angles, lines, and some triangle properties. Now, today let us learn some more properties regarding triangles and theorems regarding these triangles. And let's see some questions which were asked in the previous examinations and our questions which we have prepared. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and these are my scores in different examinations and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, apart from the 10% discount what you get, now you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and DSC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Is it only me when you use my code? No, you will get my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Ankit sir, right? At last finally to me. Now, many students were asking me the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when you choose iconic over plus. So everybody know in iconic you will be getting a personal coach exclusively. Now how this personal coach will be helpful? Now everybody know in any competitive examination there will be two phases. One is learning the subject and the next one is applying the learned subject onto the questions. So most of the students get confused here, right? So they complain like this, right? Sir, I have completed the entire subject but I couldn't apply the things on the questions. Now this is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes will be rectified so that your score will be boosted. One more advantage. You can speak with your favorite educator one-to-one by booking a Zoom session when you are an Iconic subscriber. You will get access to complete Ravindra Babu Raula sir's coding classes Raudra when you choose Iconic. Coming soon, you will be getting physical material also for Iconic. Yes, now everybody know in Plus the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi, and you can choose your own courses and batches according to your need, right? If you are weak in basics, yes, you can go with comprehensive course where we will deal elaboratively. If you are strong on basics, if you need next level, yes, you can choose crash course, right? Rank improvement batch. You can solve, you can rectify all your doubts in doubt clearing sessions, weekly tests, right? Now you will get all those things in Iconic. Now, how much you have to invest there? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 58 rupees per day, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 42,480 for 24 months. And for 12 months, it will be 29,205 after discount when you use my code NLN10. Coming to Iconic, it will be 45,225 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes, if you are expecting more discount, do try to write combat, which happens on every Sunday. Unlock the combat using my code NLN10. Based upon the marks, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. And yes, those who are serious, these are the batches which got started on September 1st. So do try to enroll for these batches for GATE and ESC. And this is the offer that is available right now, right? If you buy for 6 months, you will be getting extra 3 months, so that it will be helpful for your ESC mains prep also. Yes, so chalo, let's go for our discussion. Let's not waste our time. Now, yesterday I have started with basic definitions of line segment and ray, and see here how angles are formed. Vertically opposite angles when two lines are parallel, and I have given you this point there. Is it clear? Right? Got this point there? When two lines are parallel dissected by a transversal, the point that we have discussed. Yes, and we have solved some questions also regarding this. Yes, chalo, let's go for the next discussion here. Let's not waste our time. Yes, now see here, I have started with basic properties of triangles. Am I right or wrong? One second. Yes. Now see here, basic properties of triangles. And the next slide. Up they go, see here. Now I have discussed with right angle triangle, obtuse, acute angle triangle. Up they go, when you closely observe this, all the three sides of a triangle are different. Lengths of the sides are different. So what type of triangle is this? Can anybody say this type of triangle is called scalene triangle? Am I right or wrong? Yes, scalene triangle. And they go, their angles also will be different. I'll take down like this. This is x degrees. This is y degrees. So I'm dealing with simple basics also here. Y degrees, and this is z degrees. And everybody know x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. And I have given you the formula. This is called Heron's formula. So I will be writing down the things there. Heron's formula. Okay. I hope so I am clear up to now. And again, see here, I'll go with next property, right? So I have discussed about what the property in isosceles triangle, equilateral, and I have discussed about median. So what is the important point that I have discussed in median? So first of all, what is median? When you draw a line segment from a vertex to the opposite line segment, when this line segment divides the base into two equal halves, and this is called median. And I have given you one more property, right? This median will divide the triangle into two parts of equal areas, right? This is what I have discussed this, and I have proved it also, right? I hope so I am clear. And also in equilateral triangle, I have given you the properties, what's the thing happens there. And see, I have gone with one more property, right? I have discussed the difference between median, perpendicular bisector, and angle bisector. Is it clear up to now? Yes. So I'll go with the next property. Right. So, chalo, I'll take a triangle, then we will discuss about the point there. Now, this is a triangle, already I gave you the point there, but I will rebrush it, right? Now, please let me know this point here. Now, what is this called? Now, see here, A, B, C, and D. Now, what is this line segment called AD? So, by notations, you can easily answer this. Can you say what is this? This is called your median. Am I right or wrong? So, you have drawn a line segment from vertex A to the opposite line segment, which divides the base into two equal halves. So, we call this as median. Now, and again, I have gave you one point that this median will divide the triangle into two equal halves, two equal areas, right? So, one more point here. Now, let me know the intersecting point of all medians is called. Can anybody say in the comment section box? The intersecting point of all medians is called. So, I'll write down like this, right? So, this is called centroid. Am I right or wrong? This is called centroid. Now, yes. Now, I will discuss each and every point regarding perpendicular and angular bisector also here. Don't worry about that. Tomorrow we will get right in properties of circles. Now, this centroid will divide the median. And again, I will prove this property also here. In Siva's and Menila's theorem, don't worry about that. Will divide. I am just writing the property here and I will prove it. The median into 2:1 ratio into 2:1 ratio, and everybody know about this. Okay. Now, ab dekho. Now, how to find out the length of the median? Is there any property? Yes, there is a property. Ab dekho, I am explaining you right now the property. In the coming classes, I will explain you the derivation also here. Right, because you have to learn about CVAS and all these things in order to know the derivation, right? Before that, I'll give the theorem and I'll give the application of the theorem. Now, how to find out this median length? Now, we have a theorem called Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. What is this Apollonius theorem? Can anybody explain me in the comment section box? Ab dekho, AB square. So, leave the segment which is dividing into equal halves. Take the other two segments. AB square plus AC square is nothing but equal to 2 into now your median AD square plus now keep remember this. I will discuss the derivation in the next class because I have kept a class regarding these derivations only, right? Siva's theorem, Menila's theorem, right? Mass point geometry, you will get there, right? AD square, ab dekho, plus BD square or DC square, both are same because equal values na, so you can take down like this. Now this is called Apollonius theorem. Now this is what we have to learn there, and also I have discussed about this, what happens there if you divide it. Ab dekho, closely observe there. This all medians divided this ABC triangle into how many parts? So I'll write down here. See, 6 triangles. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what will be the area of this each triangle? I'll take down like this. Can anybody say in the comment section box? Already we have discussed, right? One median divides the triangle into 2 parts of equal areas. Now, automatically, now 3 medians divided the triangle into 6 parts. So, each and every part area of, let us suppose take this area. So, I will take down this as O. Area of triangle BOD will be how much? Can anybody say in the comment section box? You can easily answer this. BOD is nothing but 1/6 of area of triangle ABC. This is the point there. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Now, one more point. I'll take down one more point which I will explain it very clearly. So see here, I will be taking down this lane, I'll connect this point there. So in black ink, right? So see again, I have framed a triangle. I'll write down the point there in black ink. Area of triangles. Area of triangles attached to black line will be how much? Attached. This is the one more property. Attached to black lanes. मतलब अब देखो, let us suppose take this is D na, I'll take down this as E F. Now what will be the area of DEF? Let us suppose take, so which will be equal to 1/4 of triangle ABC. 1/4 of triangle ABC. This is one property that you have to know, which will be very, very helpful, right? So with regarding to angle bisector, I'll explain those circumradius, in radius, right, in circle properties, so that you will not get confused. So let us move on to the one more property, right? So see here, we have discussed one point here. So that point is this one. So let us suppose take a triangle. Now this is a triangle, and up dekho, see here, now this is a line segment. Now what is this? So I will draw this line segment, then you explain me, right? A, B, C, D. Now this AD line segment will divide the angle at A into two equal halves. Can anybody say what is this AD called? This AD is called angle bisector, and this angle bisector is inside the triangle. Inside the triangle, so I can take down like this. So there is a theorem to explain this angle bisector, right? So I will take down like this. What is this? So which is called, as this angle bisector is inside the triangle, so I will be taking down like this, internal angle bisector theorem. So this is a Brahmastra where you can use this internal angle bisector theorem in huge questions, right? Which can, and you can solve these questions very easily. Internal angle bisector theorem. Please let me know what is the theorem there. So applicative part is much more important here. So can I take down like this? AB by AC is nothing but equal to BD by DC. Right? You have to know, when you closely observe there, you have to know how this BC is divided into two parts. This is what internal angle bisector theorem is explaining. If this internal angle bisector is nothing but called BDN, if both are same, then automatically BD and DC will be of equal length. This is what we have discussed in the previous slide. So little bit prerequisite that you have to learn there. And again, up dekho, in center or circumcenter, let us discuss tomorrow, right? Because I'll not make you confused by saying these properties here, right? Attaching one property, I'll go in a streamline way. Okay, so let's learn the next property called midpoint theorem. So I'll take down a triangle there. 1 second. Yes. See here. Now, what is midpoint theorem? I'll take a triangle here. Now, ABC is a triangle. Ab dekho, by midpoint of AB is D. Midpoint of AC is E. So I'll write down the point here. D comma E are midpoints of AB and AC. Midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, then what I am doing here? So I am joining these 2 points D comma E. If I join these 2 points comma D comma E, this DE will be parallel to BC. and it will be exactly half of BC. If BC value is x, DE value will be x by 2, or if BC value is 2x, then automatically DE value will be x. Am I right or wrong? Now this is called midpoint theorem. This is called midpoint theorem. Now in geometry, everybody know there will be three types of points here. One is rider, means which occurs in nature, which we cannot prove it, right, because it occurs in nature. With rider we will prove theorem. Now when you read the theorem from the backward side, you have to get the exact meaning, which is called corollary. So midpoint theorem is the theorem which we framed with a rider. Now, what is the corollary of this midpoint theorem? When you read from the backward side, will it be the same? So I will show you, right? I will take one more triangle here, then I will prove it here. Now, this is midpoint theorem. Now, what will be this? I will take down this. Now, this is a triangle. अब देखो भाई, I will take down this as A, B, C. Now, अब देखो D is a point on AB, and I am not saying that D is midpoint. I am not saying that D is, I am not writing this point. E is a point on AC. Now, I am joining this line segment, I mean DE. I am joining these 2 points DE. I will write down here. Right, D. Now, see here, this DE is parallel to BC. I can say this guaranteedly. Now, how can you say that D is midpoint only? Whether D can be midpoint, D cannot be midpoint. So I can say this D and E will divide the triangle sides AB into this format: AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, and by this it can be midpoint, it cannot be midpoint. Am I right or wrong? AE by EC. Now what is this theorem called? Now this is called basic proportionality theorem. This is called, the exact corollary of midpoint theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. So I hope so I am clear. So by using these properties, I will solve some questions, because I will show you some applications, right? Because if I deal only completely properties, you might get confused, and automatically it will be so clumsy to remember all those points. So I will explain some applications there with those three properties, right? So with those things what we have discussed in the previous class and also the present class, right? So let's come to the questions. So I'll go to the questions there. I'll explain one by one. This is the question 1. Now what is this? Was asked in the previous examination also, yeah. Which of the following sets of 3 numbers cannot represent altitudes of a triangle? Altitudes of a triangle, it seems. Okay. So first of all, I'll draw the things there so that we can get more clarity of what we are doing there. Now let us suppose take this is a triangle here. Let us suppose take this is a triangle ABC. I will draw altitudes, right? Now, देखो यार. Now, I will be drawing one perpendicular with respect to A vertex, which makes altitudes, matlab it is only perpendicular here. So, which makes 90 degrees. Now, I will draw one more altitude with respect to B vertex. Now, this is one more altitude. Now, I will take one more altitude with respect to C vertex. I hope so I am clear. Now, see here, I will take down this D, E, F. Can anybody say what is this intersecting point of all altitudes? Can anybody say in the comment section box? What is this O called? This intersecting point of all perpendiculars is nothing but called orthocenter, which is nothing but called orthocenter. So I will be explaining here only, right? So this is the thing there. Now till now I explained you about centroid and orthocenter. Circumcenter, incenter I'll explain later on with coming points, right? Okay. Now see here, let us suppose take 2, 3, 4 are the altitudes here. If I take AD as altitude, now what will be the area of the triangle? Let us suppose take this one, half into your base value is BC and your height value is AD. Now this is the area of the triangle ABC, which will be equal to, if I take BE as altitude, अब देखो half into your base value is AC into your altitude value is BE. Okay, fine. Which is nothing but equal to, now again this is also area of triangle ABC only, right? Half into, now if I take CF as altitude, AB will be the base, AB into CF. So is this the area of triangle ABC? Yes, all these are equal to area of triangle ABC only. Fine. All these are area of triangle ABC only. Fine. Now, so cannot represent it seems. Let us take the values there. Now half gets cancelled here. Now in the place of AD, I'll take 2. So this will be equal to 2 BC is equal to, now in the place of BE I'll take 3 AC, and I'll take down in the place of CF I'll take 4, because these are altitudes now, 4 AB. Okay beta. Right, now let us suppose take all these are equal to some K value. Now what will be BC value there? BC value will be K by 2. So I'm just explaining you in detail. That's the issue, right? So AC value will be how much here? K by 3. Now AB value will be how much here? K by 4. Now let us suppose take a K value which is divisible by 2, 3, 4. That will be no issue for us. Am I right? Let us take a value for K which is divisible by 2, 3, 4. So let us take a least common multiple of 2, 3, 4. What is the least common multiple of 2, 3, 4? Can anybody say in the comment section box? So that is an easy case, 12. Am I right or wrong? So your K value is 12. 2 square, 2, 3. So 2 square into 3, 12. Now what will be BC value? 12 by 2, it will be 6. What will be AC value? 12 by 3, it will be 4. What will be this one? 3. Now see here 6, 4, 3. You got the sides of the triangles. Now how to prove this are sides of the triangles? And you know very well, see, 2 sides of a triangle must be greater than third side. Am I right or wrong? If these are, now see here, 6 plus 4 is greater than 3. Yes, it is working out. 6 plus 3 is greater than 4. Yes, it is working out. Right? 4 plus 3 is greater than 6. Yes, it is also working out. So by this, what can you say? Now these can be altitudes of the triangles. So your first option can be the altitudes of the triangles. I'll tick down here. Now, by question asked is cannot represent, it seems. So you have to check each and every option, then automatically you'll get the answer. So I'll go with the directly option, then you can check there. Your third option will be cannot be altitudes. Now, how it cannot be altitudes, I'll show you, right? Now, everybody know in the next slide, let me find out. So the same process here, the same process, right? Find out the LCM of 4, 7, 10. LCM of 4, 7, 10, and then that will be your K value. So your LCM will be 2 square into 5 into 7. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So which will be equal to 140. Now your K value is 140 now. So can I write down like this? So see here, BC value will be K by 4. Next one is AC, right? AC AB. AC AB. I'll write down here so that we can prove all those things. AC value is nothing but how much here? K by 7. AB value will be how much here? K by 10. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. So K by 4, 170, 140 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. K by 7, is it 20? Yes. अब देखो K by 10, is it 14? Now see here, will this work out with triangle properties? Once check there. Let us check whether it works out with triangle properties or not. 35 plus 20 is nothing but 50. 35 plus 20 is greater than 14. Yes, it is working out. 20 plus 14 is greater than 35. Is it true? No, it is not true. So it is violating the basic properties of the triangles. Am I right or wrong? Is not greater than 35. So automatically your third option will not represent the altitudes of the triangles. So exact basic that I am taking there. Are you understanding this? Are you understanding this? Yes? Yes. Chalo. Let's go for the next question. Now this is the question which was asked in your previous examination. Let's suppose, in ESC and also in GATE. Let's check the question there. In CSC, for CSC guys, the same question was asked. Now, in a triangle ABC, so I'll take a triangle first of all. So let's take one more shape, right? Red. Shall we take red? Any other color there? No colors here. We'll take red. Okay. Now this is a triangle ABC. Okay. Now, what is the point given there? AB is given as 12, AC is given as 9, BC is given as 13. Okay. D and E are points on AB and AC. Ab dekho, so D and E are points on AB and AC. This is D and this is E. Okay, fine. And such that D is parallel to BC, it seems here. Okay, fine. DE is parallel to, so I'll take down like this. 1 second. So DE is parallel to BC, it seems. Fine. DE is parallel to BC. Okay, fine. Now what is the point asked? BC. So if length of AE is 6, length of AE is 6, it seems. If length of AE is 6, AC is 9, so EC will be how much? It will be 3. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now you are asked to find out BD value. Now how can you start solving this question? And dekho yaar, you don't know this D and E are midpoints. If you know this D and E are midpoints of AB and AC, automatically you can use midpoint theorem. Now you don't know this, so we know one more theorem called basic proportionality theorem. So am I right or wrong? Shall I write down the theorem name here? Basic proportionality theorem. So tomorrow also I will be explaining you properties of circles with respect to triangles and also with respect to basic circles also. Basic proportionality theorem. Now by basic proportionality theorem, can I write down like this? AD by BD is nothing but equal to AE by EC. And automatically AE by EC value is given there in the question itself. AE is how much? It is 6. EC is how much? It is 3. So is it 2:1? Now AD is to BD is nothing but, the ratio is nothing but given as 2:1 because I have removed the common factors. 2:1. Ab dekho means AD plus BD is nothing but equal to 3 parts. Now 3 parts value is nothing but equal to how much here? 12. Am I right or wrong? So AD is how much? two parts. Now 2 parts value will be how much? Can anybody say in the comment section box? 3 ones are, 3 fours are, is it 8? Now AD value will be 8 and BD value will be 4, so which is equal to 2:1. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now dekho yaar, this is 8 and this question mark value will be how much? AD 4. Of course, don't take exactly the diagram there. AD value will be looking less than BD. So this is the answer there. Is it clear? Perfectly. And your BD value is nothing but equal to 4. Now which theorem did I use there? Basic proportionality theorem. So this is the way to solve the questions one by one, which can be done very easily here. Don't worry about that. You can make it very easy and fatafat. Okay. Shall we go for the next one? Yes, we'll go for the next one. So we'll solve this question a little bit later. Yeah. I'll solve the basic questions and then I'll come back. Okay. Now I got some questions which have to solve this. Yes. Now this is the question which is based on our median properties only. We have dealt just now. So that's why I'm dealing this question. Observe the question carefully. ABC is a triangle of AD, BE and CF. AD, BE and CF are the medians from the vertices A, B, C and respectively. Up dekho, ABC, A again repeated. If the area of the triangle ABC is 24, then compute the areas of this is the question asked. So as the diagram is very tiny, I got this diagram little bit enlarged. Now see here, this whole area of triangle ABC is given as 24. Okay, now you know one point. Median of a triangle will divide the triangle into two equal areas, right? Two parts of equal areas. Now see here, 3 medians are there, automatically it will be divided into 6 parts. I will take down the 6th part. Now each and every part value will be how much here? Each and every part value will be equal to how much? Can anybody say? So let us suppose take one triangle. What is the triangle? Let us suppose take first part. First part is nothing but a triangle AOF. Triangle AOF. Now how much will be the area of triangle AOF? Can anybody say? Just now we have dealt it now. 1/6 of area of triangle ABC. And everybody know area of triangle area is 24. Now how much will be this area? 4. So again, one more part is also asked. I will take down in reading so that we can get more clarity. I will join these points there. I will join these points there. Now everybody know. So I wrote there in black. Now I wrote in red. So what will be area of? I'll write down in reading here. Area of triangle DEF. Can anybody say in the comment section box? DEF. Area attached to black lines will be equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Am I right or wrong? 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. We have discussed this point there. How many of you got this? Just now we have discussed now. So triangle ABC area is how much? 24. So the area will be equal to 6. Now let's solve the questions now. We can easily make up. Okay, let's come back. What is the first question asked? Triangle ABD. Now closely observe there, ABD. Now see here, ABD contains 1, 2, 3 triangles. Each triangle area is 4. So 3 triangles area will be equal to 12. Is it clear? And you can make up this question very easily. Come to B, triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. So see a triangle AOB contains 2 triangles. Each triangle area is 4. So automatically AOB triangle area will be 8. Come to AOF. Now AOF contains only single triangle and that area will be equal to 4. Perfectly right. Let's come back and check AEF. Now see here AEF. 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 So this area of triangle AEF is attached with red line. In my explanation, I gave it black line. So what will be the area there? Will it be 6? AEF, right? Area attached to the red lines will be 1/4 of triangle ABC. So AEF will be 6. Come to DEF. What is DEF? So see here, area attached to red lines, right? Area of the triangle attached to red lines. Again, 6. Just now we have discussed about this. DEF answer also will be 6. Come to triangle AED. AED. Now see here, AED. AED. Now again, closely observe the area of the triangle attached to the red line. It will be equal to 6 only. Perfectly right. Come to EOF. How much will be EOF? Now see here, EOF. Now how much will be this part? Now already, now observe there, AEOF contains how many triangles? AEOF quadrilateral contains how many triangles? 2 triangles, everybody know. And area of those 2 triangles is 8. In this already you have calculated AEF area. AEF area in the previous slide only. What is the answer for this? 6. Now in AEOF, if you remove AEF, what is left over there? EOF only na. Now how much will be EOF there? Can anybody say in the comment section box? EOF value will be equal to 2. EOF value will be equal to 2. And this is what your question asks. EOF value will be equal to 2. And देखो, you are asked to find out the area of the quadrilateral AEOF. Just now we have discussed AEOF is how much? 8. And your answer will be equal to 8. So now, if you are strong on the basics, nobody can stop you. Fatafat you can solve each and every question. Trust me. Chalo, let's solve the next question. Now, this was one of the finest question which was asked in your ESC examination. Before that, it was asked in CAT also. The same question was repeated in ESC, and later on it was asked in CSC GATE examination also. Let's observe the question there. A triangle has sides 20, 48 and 52 centimeter. This triangle is cut into 2 pieces of equal areas. Now, by a single straight cut. Now, see here, when can you form 2 triangles of equal areas? By a single straight cut. This single straight cut has to be what? This single straight cut has to be median only. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. I'll draw the triangle there. You can easily understand this. So this is a triangle. This triangle is divided into 2 equal areas, it seems. So I will divide this with single straight cut. I'll write down one more in here. Writing single straight cut. Now this single straight cut must be what? Just now we have discussed the properties. Bolo beta. This is a triangle ABC. Now what will be AD? Just now I wrote it there, right? AD. Now dekho, two triangles of equal areas have to be formed, and this has to be damn surely median only. Yes, perfectly right. And again, what is the extra point that was asked in the question there? What is maximum possible sum of perimeters of the 2 pieces? Perimeters of the 2 pieces. Now you have to form maximum perimeter of the 2 possible pieces, it seems. Now that means you have to know where to make this cut. Now this BC must be 20 or 48 or 52. What is the answer there? This is the logic there. For this, already you know how to find out median, right? By Apollonius theorem. I'll write down here. By Apollonius theorem, can anybody say? Can anybody repeat the theorem? Just now I have discussed with you. AB square plus BC square. Sorry, not BC square. AC square. because we must not take the value which we are cutting down, is equal to 2 into B, I'll write down like this, AD square median plus BD square or DC square, because both are same. Okay, because median will divide the base into two equal halves. अब देखो बेटा, AB square plus AC square, how many combinations do you get? You have three values there, 20, 48, 20, 52, 48, 52. Now, where do you get the maximum value there? AB square plus AC square, where do you get maximum value there? By keen observation, you can easily say here you will get maximum value. Am I right or wrong? Matlab, if you want to form two possible pieces of maximum perimeter, you have to make this straight cut with respect to the least side, right? So, damn surely BC has to be 20 and BD has to be 10 and DC has to be 10 and this has to be 48 and this has to be 52. Now, let us find out BD AD value, then we'll come back. By options also we can check there, don't worry about that. So, for AB square is nothing but 48 square plus AC square is nothing but 52 square. I'll write down each and every value, don't worry. Is equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square is nothing but equal to 100. Now, what are the values there? So, let's calculate 48 square. Can anybody say? 2304 plus what is 52 square? 52 into 52, 2704. So see here is equal to 2 in, so I'll write down like this, 2 into AD square plus 100. अब देखो 2304 plus 2704 is nothing but 5008. I'll write down like this, 5008 divided by 2 is equal to AD square plus 100. अब देखो, everybody know 5008 divided by 2 is nothing but 2504. So AD value will be how much? AD square value will be 2504 minus 100 will be 2404. Okay, fine. Now everybody know 2401 is nothing but 49 square. So exactly AD value will be how much approximately? Nearest value I can take it as 49. So you'll get 49.1 something. So I'll take 49. So my AD value will be 49. Now add those perimeters there, 49 plus 48 plus 10, which will be 107. Now perimeter of this triangle is 107. Now what is the perimeter of this here? 107 plus 4, 111. 49 plus 52 plus 10, 111. Now add these two together. Perimeters is nothing but adding the boundaries of the object. Am I right or wrong? 107 plus 111 will be how much here? 218. Yes. Did you got the point there? 218. Now see here, I got the maximum value there. So I have done with Apollonius theorem, right? So whenever you got a strike of, right? If you, see here, am I right or wrong? Did you got my point there? If you get a strike of median, then automatically you have to get a strike of Apollonius theorem. Did you got the logic there? Perfectly done. I'm just checking the comment there, yeah, so don't worry. Let's come to the next one. Okay. Now this is the question, right? Again, same format, right? You are asked to find out the length of the median to the longest side, it seems. Chalo, let's take a triangle there. What shall I take a gray triangle now? Yes. So this is a triangle. Now the sides of a triangle A, B, C. The sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And these are not all Pythagorean triplets here. First of all, don't worry. Find the length of the median to the longest side, it seems. So is this the length, is this the median towards the longest side? Yes, this is the median towards the longest side. And I'll take down this as D. And this median will divide the base into two equal halves. So everybody know this is 10. So I'll take down here 10. So this will be 5 and this will be 5. Now how to find out this AD value? Everybody know, right? What is this Apollonius theorem, right? Fatafat solve it. AB square plus AC square is nothing but equal to 2 into AD square plus BD square or DC square. You can take whatever value you wish. So AB square, is it 25? AC square, is it 49? Is it divided by 2 is equal to AD square. Now what is BD square? Can anybody say in the comment section box? BD square is 25. Am I right or wrong? 5 na? So let's calculate this and let me know the value. You will get 12, I think so, yeah, for sure. 25 plus 49, 74 divided by 2 is 37. Sorry, 37. 37 minus 25 is nothing but AD square. Now AD value will be how much approximately? It will be 12 na? 12 means 3 point something. And your answer will be 3.5 according to the options there. There is no need to worry about the things there. And your option number 3. And I hope so you are clear. So I think so you can easily apply this Apollonius theorem perfectly. Did you got my point there? Yes. Shall we go for the next questions? Okay, chalo. We'll go back, right? We'll go back. We have seen some questions now. We'll come back. Now, this is the question that I want to discuss with you. Complete things of Apollonius theorem, right? Basic proportionality theorem, all these things, right? Now, so sir, why you are solving each and every question with Apollonius theorem only? Why don't we solve with normal Pythagoras theorem? Yes, we can solve here. We can solve. I will show you how the things there. Now, this is the question asked. In the triangle shown in the figure, AB is equal to 6. So I'll write down. AB is equal to 6. BC is equal to 7. BC is equal to 7. Okay, 1 second here. BC is equal to 7. I'll write down here. BC is equal to 7. Any other point given there? AC is equal to 8. AC is equal to 8. Okay, fine. Also, AD is a perpendicular to BC. So, I will write down here. AD is perpendicular here. Because in the next diagram, it will be so clumsy. Perpendicular, and that you can observe with the diagram itself. Okay, fine. Now, any other point there? AE is angle bisector. AE is angle bisector. Okay, fine. Of angle A. So, angle A will be divided into two equal halves. And AF is median. AF is median of triangle ABC. So, I got one lead point here. I got one lead point. What is that lead? AF is median, it seems. So by this, what can I say? I'll write down like this, right? So see here, AF is median, matlab BF and FC. are equal halves. Am I right or wrong? I'll take down this point there. So perfectly done. Now closely observe there. This is 3.5 and this is 3.5. FC is 3.5. BF is 3.5. Okay. And I can write one more point here. I'll come back. Ab dekho, you closely observe there. AE is angle bisector. Am I right or wrong? And you know internal angle bisector theorem. Internal angle bisector theorem. By internal angle bisector theorem, I can write down one more point. See here, I am using the properties which I have discussed in the class only. Internal angle bisector theorem. Can anybody say what is internal angle bisector theorem? Just now we have discussed it. Internal angle bisector theorem. Can I write down like this? Right, see here, AB by AC is nothing but equal to, and everybody know AE is internal angle bisector, so it will be equal to BE by EC. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now AB is nothing but how much here? 6. AD is nothing but how much? 8. By this what can I write? Now this is 3 and this is 4. Am I right or wrong? So BE by EC is nothing but equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now, ab dekho, can I write down like this? I'll write down in writing BE. BE is how much? 3. Am I right or wrong? BE is equal to 3. Okay, fine. I'll write down here. Now EC is how much? 4. In that FC you know, then I can write down EF as how much? I can write down EF as how much? 0.5. Will you accept with me? Will you accept with me? Please let me know yes or no. I'll take down like this. EF is 0.5. Perfectly done. Because BF is 3.5, BE is 3, EF is 0.5, EC is 4. I can take down like this. Yes, perfectly right. So let's come to the questions there. Now this is the way to solve. I mean to take the values perfectly one by one, that you so that you can solve it very easily. Come to the first one. You are asked to find out length of BDR. BD value. Now this is the question asked. How to find out this BD value? How to start this? Any idea? Any idea? Now I can say one point perfectly here. What is that one point? See here, AD is the perpendicular. Am I right or wrong? Total triangle ABC. Total triangle ABC is divided into two parts, and these two right angle triangles. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know yes or no. Yes, perfectly. So can I? So what I will do is total. This is 7. I will take BD as X and DC as 7 minus X. DC as 7 minus X. By this I can easily find out the answer there. How? I'll show you. Now see here, I'll write down this point here. I'll write down DC as 7 minus X. Now by this what can I say? Observe triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Now see here, AD square plus BD square is nothing but equal to AB square. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. So let us come to this. We don't know the value of AD value. AD square is nothing but AB square is nothing but 36. BD value is X square. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And so this is in triangle ABD. And come to one more triangle, and this is also right angle triangle, triangle ADC. Am I right or wrong? And can you observe this? Is my face obstructing it? Yes, you can easily make up this. So ADC also, AD square is nothing but equal to, right, DC square, right, or AC square. AC square is how much? AC square minus DC square. Am I right or wrong? So how much is AC square? 8 square 64 minus DC square is 7 minus x whole square. Now see here in the first and second equation you can equate AD. You can equate AD. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. So I'll write in the next slide. So by this what can I write? 36 minus x square is equal to 64 plus 7 minus x square. 7 minus x square is nothing but a minus b whole square. 49 plus x square minus 7 minus x to 14x. Is it clear? Please let me know, yes or no. Am I perfectly clear? 7 minus x whole square. Now see here, by solving this, what do you get there? Let us see this. So 36 minus x square is equal to 64 plus 49 plus x square minus 14x. Okay, fine. So let me know the value there. We can easily make up this. So 1 second here. 64 plus 49 is 113. So I will make up this 36 here, which is nothing but 77. So first of all, 64 plus 49 is how much? 113. Okay. So 36 minus x square is equal to 113 plus x square minus 14x. So we'll make up all these things here in the quadratic equation. So this will come to this side, which will become 2x square. And okay, now 113 minus 36 will be how much? 77 plus 77. So I'll write down like this, minus 14x plus 77 is equal to 0. Now let me find out the roots there. Can anybody say? So 77 into 2 is how much here? 154. So how can you make this 154 here? And again the minus value has to be 14. Divided by 7 is how much? 22. 22 minus 7 will be how much? 15. No, this will not work out. So how we have to work out this? 77 into 2. Are we making any mistake there? Please let me know. Please let me know. Are we making any mistake there? Yes, we are making a mistake there. Yeah, we made a mistake. We made a mistake. Yaar, dekho, see here. We don't need to solve all those things. Yaar. See here, nobody have said me in the comment section box. Now what is this here? This is minus na. This is minus na. See here, we made this and done. Our question is over. So see here, I can write down like this: 36 minus x square. Simple mistake, I made this question long, right? 64 minus 49 minus x square plus 14x. So minus x square gets cancelled. Now please let me know, 64 minus 49 is how much? 64 minus 49 is 15. 36 minus 15 is nothing but 21. So 21 is nothing but equal to 14x. So x is equal to how much? 21 by 14 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but equal to 1.5. And this is your answer there. As simple as possible. We have done so long, right? So 1.5. Is there any option? Yes, there is an option as 1.5. By this, what can I write? Your x value is 1.5 now. So can I write down like this? Now see here, BD value is x. Now BD value is 1.5. Now D value will be how much? Again, this will also be 1.5. Now DC value is nothing but how much? 7 minus x, 6.5. Am I right? Or 1.5 plus 5, 2, 5.5. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 5.5. Perfectly right. And we have done all the points there. And next questions will be very, very easy here. Don't worry about that. Come to the next one. You are asked to find out AD value. AD is nothing but perpendicular. We don't have any, we didn't discuss any theorem till now. So how to find out this? Ab dekho, see here. Can I take down like this? So how shall we take down like this? And I know you have to find out AD value. Easy. Now just substitute X value there, then you will get the answer. What is there? Now see here. This is the thing now. This is the question asked. This is the question asked. And you just substitute your X value there. Your X value is how much? 1.5. 1.5 whole square. And that's an easy one. 1.5 whole square is 2.25. 36 minus 2.25 is nothing but 33.75. Is there any option there? 33.75. Yes, there is an option there. Root of 33.75. Yes, you got your AD value very easily now. Come to the next one. Let us find out AF value. How to find out AF value? AF. How to find out AF value? Now see here. I know one point. Triangle ADF. Triangle ADF is a right angled triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly right. Triangle ADF is a right angled, and you know AD, you know DF, and you can find out AF value. AD value is nothing but just now you have calculated AD. So see here, by right angle triangle AD square plus DF square. AD square plus DF square is nothing but equal to AF square, and this is what the question asked. And there is now deco, and everybody will immediately write Apollonius theorem as AF is median. There is no need. Did you got my point there? You can find out by Apollonius theorem also, I accept it, but there is no need here. So see here, I will solve it. Now how much is AD? 33 points. AD square is 33.75. Am I right or wrong? Is it 33.75? Yes, 33.75. Plus how much is DF value? DF value already you know, we have calculated this. DF value is 1.5 plus 0.52, which is nothing but 4. So your answer will be 37.75. So AF value will be how much? Root of 37.75. Is there any such option there? Yes, there is an option there. Don't worry. Let's come back. Is it S 37.75? Yes, there is an option. At last, finally, you are asked to find out AE value here. AE is nothing but what? Angle bisector. And I didn't give any formula to find out AE value. Just I gave you internal angle bisector theorem. Yes, by this also you can easily solve. Now closely observe there. AE na triangle ADE is nothing but right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down here. Triangle ADE, and you are asked to find out AE value. So can I write down like this? AD square plus DE square is nothing but equal to AE square. And everybody know AD square is nothing but 33.75. Now how much is DE value? Everybody know 1.5 na 2.25, which is nothing but AE square. Now when you calculate this, so I'll remove this 8 here and I'll write down here, yeah, so that you can avoid this confusion. AC is 8 na. Now how much is this? This is 36. Am I right or wrong? Yes, it is 36. Is there any option? 36. AE square is 36. AE is 6. Root of 36. Now see here, complete properties of what I have discussed today, and I made it a single slide. Is it clear? Any doubts up to now? Shall we solve one more question, right? So we'll come back. Let us see the questions that we have. I'll solve only one question here, then I'll end the class. Don't worry. And these are the properties that we have discussed. Okay, fine. One second. Now this is the question here. One of the finest question which was asked in CAT, which was asked in GATE, and which was asked in all PSU examinations also. I'll show you. So People might think that, sir, is there any other way to solve these questions? You are solving only in geometry. I'll show you all the different ways of solving this question here. Okay. Now, in the adjacent figure, N and M are midpoints. N and M are midpoints. Okay. Of AC and BD respectively. Okay, fine. So M is midpoint of BD. Now BC is given as 8. Okay, fine. BC is given as 8. AD is given as 6. Okay, and you are asked to find out length of MN. How to find out this? Let's do one thing. So I will take BD value as X here. I'll take BD value as X and DC value as Y. Okay, now I'll take this as Y. Fine, I'll take this as Y. I'll take this as X. So by this, what can I write? X plus Y is nothing but equal to 8. Now see here one more point. So I'll show you how to solve the things there. Now closely observe there. N is the midpoint of AC that is given in the question there. Now what I will do is, I will draw a line segment which will join this midpoint N to the midpoint of DC. To the midpoint of DC. So what shall I take midpoint of DC? I'll take T. T is the midpoint of DC. So I'll write down the point. T is a midpoint. So closely observe there. So you can frame the theorem easily right now. Yes, you can frame the theorem easily right now. T is midpoint of DC. Now closely observe there. Observe only triangle ADC. Observe only triangle ADC. ADC. In this triangle, NT is nothing but the line segment which is joined between the midpoints of AC and DC. Am I right or wrong? So damn surely, and again, this is parallel to AD. Now if this is 6, by midpoint theorem, this will be 3. NT value will be 3. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? NT will be 3 by midpoint theorem. Will you accept this? Yes, see here, this is what you have to observe, how to solve the questions. How to solve the question. This is the way to know the questions, to know how to solve the questions. Okay, fine. So I'll take down. Now see here, M is midpoint of BD. Now I'll take BM as X by 2. I'll take MD as X by 2. DT, again T is midpoint. I'll take DT as Y by 2. And I'll take TC as Y by 2. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe there. MT value will be how much? Because we are asked to find out MN value. MT value will be how much? X by 2 plus Y by 2, which is nothing but equal to X plus Y by 2. Am I right or wrong? X plus Y by 2. You already know X plus Y is how much? 8. Now X plus Y by 2 will be how much? 4. Now MT value will be 4. Now closely observe there. Now this is exactly a parallel line, so I can take this as 90 degrees. Now closely observe there. MNT triangle is a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? And in this, NT is 3, MT is 4, then automatically MN will be how much? 5. 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplets. 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplets. And your option number. So by using midpoint theorem, I have solved this. I hope so I am clear. Done. So I will show you the other way to solve also, right? Without basic geometry. Ab dekho, let us suppose take like this. Now I have taken this diagram and fixed this diagram on a graph sheet. And fixed this diagram on a graph sheet. So by this what I take? I will take B as 0, 0. right? And again, is there any other yes, 0 comma 0. Now what will be the value there? Please let me know. I want some values that has to be taken there. Now this will be how much? This will be 8 comma 0. Am I right or wrong? This will be 8 comma 0. Will you accept with me? Please let me know yes or no. And AD is 6, it seems. AD is 6. Now what will be the value there? Now what will be the coordinates there? By coordinate geometry you have to try this. Please let me know how can you solve this. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this in this way. Try this in this way. Let's see how many can solve this. By basic coordinate geometry. Waiting for the answers. One minute more. What are the coordinates? So see here, I'll give the leads also for you. Now see here, I'll take D as x comma 0 because this is on x axis, we don't know where it is. I'll take A as, now see AD length is given as 6. So automatically see this coordinate from with x axis it will be at x only, but y coordinate value will be 6. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Now see here, as n is midpoint value. Now everybody know how to find out midpoint value in coordinate geometry. Waiting for your answers. And what will be the m coordinate? What will be the m coordinate? Exact m is midpoint of B and D. So everybody know in coordinate geometry how to find out midpoint. That is an easy one here. That's an easy one. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Am I right or wrong? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now this is what, how to find out the midpoints in coordinate geometry. Will you accept with me? Nobody answered me here. Now what will be the midpoints of this by this? Can anybody say? Now x plus 8 by 2. X plus 8 by 2 comma 6 plus 0 by 2 will be how much? It will be 3. Am I right or wrong? Yes. What will be these coordinates? X by 2, x plus 0 by 2 comma 0. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe there, this diagram is on graph sheet. Now you have to find out the length of mn. How to find out length of mn? So how to find out the distance between two coordinates? Can anybody say? See here, I will take down this there. This is mn and I am just taking down the value there. mn. How to find out? Now mn has some coordinates. Am I right or wrong? Which is given in the question. Everybody know the distance between coordinates formula is y2 minus y1 whole square plus, I mean you can write down in vice versa manner also, ma. Even though if it is positive, as you are squaring off, then you can get it as positive only, right? Even though the respective value is negative. So root of, am I right or wrong? How many of you got this idea there? Can anybody say how many of you got this idea there? How many of you got this idea there to solve? So this is what, right, you have to think of yourself, right? So if you pose this for yourself, automatically you can solve each and every question here for sure, right? Now how to solve this? Y2, so see here, I'll take down like this. This is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 whole square plus, now x2 is how much here? X plus 8 by 2 minus x by 2, so whole square. Now everybody know x plus 2, so which will be how much here? 4. Am I right or wrong? So finally your answer will be, so I'll write down like this. Finally your answer will be 9 plus 16. So 9 plus 16, root of 9 plus 16 is how much here? Am I right or wrong? X plus 8 minus x will be 8. 8 by 2 will be 4, and automatically your answer will be this. 9 plus 16 is 20, root of 25, and your answer will be 5. Is this the length of MN5? Yes, it is the length of MN5, and your option number 3. So see here, I have just solved with basic coordinate geometry what you have learned in your primary classes. Done. Did you got my logic there? So you must also think like this so that you can solve the questions in very easiest manner here. So I'll continue with circle properties and some more triangle properties tomorrow. So I hope so you got all the points today what I have discussed there. I will forward the notes today here so that you can prepare the notes for yourself. And yes, tomorrow I will be taking up General Aptitude tricks class with one more puzzle which will be asked, which is asked in many aptitude examinations, placement test. So do try to watch this. That first 20 minutes only, right? You can get this. Clear? And then as I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC category, if you wish me be as your guide, yes, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for Iconic. Yes, you can use my code to unlock combats. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy. You can unlock test using my code. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 29,205 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 45,225 for 12 months after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes, you can ask, right? You can download the notes and you can ask each and every doubt of you on this Telegram group. Telegram group link is in the description. Do click it and join, and you can ask me any doubt regarding this, right? I'll forward the notes also. And yes, you can ask unlimited doubts to your favorite educator, right? And you will get the answers in high quality video solutions. Okay, don't worry about that, right? And yes, please do try to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that I can reach to more number of audience and I can teach in more innovative way, right? Thank you, and let's meet on Monday sharp 2 p.m. and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.